Alright guys, Josh Tech and we're back again with another video. So, this is it. This is the desk setup. It's done. The ultimate desk setup. If you guys are new and haven't seen me put the desk setup, I did a whole video, the previous video. I'll also put a description down below where you guys can check it out if you guys haven't seen it. So yeah, real quick before we start the video, I just want to get a big shout out to all my YouTuber friends, my main YouTuber friends that actually shared the video I did of building my desk on their Discord. Thank you guys so much for the support. And also I want to thank all my subscribers that seen the video and even that are just subscribed and liked the video, liked any video. Thank you so much for all the support. This would never happen without your support. So I just want to thank everybody from the deepest down to my heart, because I've been waiting for 4 years to do this desk setup and I finally got it done. So yeah, we finally finished the desk. Now real quick, I know there's a lot of Ikea hacks with Alex stores and stuff, and I've been wanting to do this for the last 4 years. In the last 4 years, I'm sure there's a lot of people that have been updating videos, and I've been watching them, and I'm like, I don't know why I never done this before. But I think when I first started YouTube, I didn't realize how far I was gonna go. So I kind of saw the idea, and I just said that looks really good, but it wasn't as big as it is today. I stuck to my main thing, what I wanted to do. I was going to go a different countertop, do something different. I said, no, I got to stick to what I need to do. This is what I'm going to do, and this is what I'm going to go all the way. So, real quick, I also want to thank my son for helping me. And you guys seen in the time-lapse video, he really helped me out and did as much as he can to help me out. So we put the desk together. Now real quick, it took me a long time to do this desk. It took me 6 hours. It would have took 7, but since my son was here to help me, it made everything super fast. We got all the wires tucked in and stuff. So I'm not going to go complete over all my accessories and stuff, but I will put all my stuff on my desktop that you will see in the description below. And the PC, not the PC specs, but just to give you an idea what the PC is. If you guys want to see like a PC video that I did recently, I'll put a timestamp, a time card above us, a time card above me, and then you guys can see that, and I get more depth into the PC stuff. So yeah, so I'll put everything down below again, and my monitors and everything, the keyboard and stuff. So yeah. The mouse pad is sold out, so it's through my YouTuber friend JD Tech here, so that's not available anymore. But I'll put the random Frank P mouse pad down below, so I'll put down what I can in the description pretty much. So I figured since we're hitting 5K, I wanted to be doing this desk setup. I wasn't going to do the desk setup, ultimate desk setup like this, until I was going to officially move and maybe get a bigger place in my own office. But I won't be for another year, maybe. So I figured I'd just get it now, enjoy it, have fun gaming and editing on this. So the wire management, yeah, the wire management was a huge pain. Now the channel raceways were awesome. They were great, but I'm going to tell you this, if you got really thick cables like the power cables and you try to run up in there, you will take up a lot of space with the other cables. So I'll put down the channel raceways down below and the power strips that I bought. I found out I bought 2 different kinds, but they're kind of like the same. But I bought 2 big massive power strips, so I have plenty of ports if I need to add more stuff. So yeah, but honestly, the height, I was a little worried about the height might be too low. It's a little bit low. It's probably about not even an inch lower than it normally is. So it's not a big deal. So I was like, okay, I'm starting to get used to it and stuff. Because I know people like desks at certain heights. I do have leg room for my legs and stuff. And when I turn, but there is one problem. My arms don't adjust, so my hands kind of pinch between the desk and the chair if I'm not careful. So that's the next big thing, kind of little thing I want to do, is get a new chair. Now the chair I'm going to get, I already decided what kind of chair I'm going to get. Kyle and Ricky, if you guys see this, you already know I'm going to be getting that gaming chair. I don't even know the name of it. I've drawn a blank. Oh, that's right. It's called the Easy SMX gaming chair. I'll put the description below if you guys want to see it. It's only 200 bucks, but both of my YouTuber friends said it was an excellent gaming chair and it's totally worth the money and it's comfortable. And I was going to go Secret Lab, but they're almost like $400. So probably a $200 gaming chair. And this one's just this is a $100 Hallmark chair, and trust me, it gets you through. And it's been a year, but now it's just time to upgrade. And that will be complete. It'll be a black and gray gaming chair, so it'll look more like darker, and it doesn't look so racy and stuff. So yeah, so that will be the next thing I'm gonna be getting. I don't know when, but maybe if I save up, you know, a couple, because you spent quite a bit on this desk. So this video is going to be a little bit longer than 10 minutes, well, plus editing and stuff. So we're going to talk about the desk and stuff and why I wanted to do this. Like I said, it's been 4 years I've been wanting to do this and stuff, and I didn't have the space before, but I came a long ways. I'm going to put some pictures up since my very first desk setup. Now, like I said, everybody starts with something small and they gradually work things, upgrade things, things change, things get better, and you know, more subscribers start coming into my channel and things start looking better for, you know, me and stuff. So like I said in the beginning, it's all because of you guys, and this would not be happening without your support and stuff. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, so the desk is an Ikea KARLBY countertop, like pretty much every YouTuber has and stuff. Or even if you're not a YouTuber, you're just a person that just wants a desk. This is a good desk. It is a little heavy, but it wasn't heavy for me. I know Miss Step Gamer had a little trouble with it, but it did fit in the car, and I was actually amazed. 6 feet. It was actually 74 inches long by 24 width, and the length is 74. So it's 74 by 24. That's how I can remember it, and it's about 2 inches thick. So it's a pretty good countertop. Now, people say it does bow and stuff in the middle, but I don't think I'm gonna have that issue because the monitors are off to the side. The monitor arm that's holding it, as you guys can see, it's off a little bit, so nothing's really in the middle, and my PC's on the end, so there's plenty of space. Now the UltraWide does take up a lot of space, but the reason I want to go UltraWide on this side, and I always have, is so when I'm editing, and plus it just makes the setup look wider and looks, you know, you could just see a lot more. Yeah, I could go 27-inch regular, you know, 1920 by 1080, 16 by 9 monitor, but I really like the UltraWide. And I know that because, trust me, when you want to see some beautiful wallpapers and stuff in the background, it just kind of makes it set for the mode. So yeah, I put it on top of the Alex drawers, and I got the black Alex drawers. Now they were sold out of the white, and I was gonna get the white, but I was a little iffy, and I'm glad because I didn't want to get scuffs and dirt and stuff on it. So the black, it kind of just fits perfectly. They do have a gray and blue, and I almost thought about it getting the gray, but Mrs. Tech Gamer went for the black. She said I should go for it, so I did, and it looks really nice. So now the countertop, I'm going to tell you this, I thought the countertop would be a little bit smoother. Now the reason I say this is because I thought it would be like sanded and smooth. Like, it has a little rough texture. It's not that bad. It feels kind of weird, but it's something that I'm kind of getting used to. So I just want to let you guys know, I thought it was like a really smooth countertop, but it is a butcher block, but it just feels kind of, I don't know how to explain it. You just have to see and find out, but it totally from what I expected. So, and it does come with 2 side strips, little wooden pieces that I don't know why it didn't really match with the countertop, so I just kind of threw them away and stuff. And it came with instructions to tell me how to do it, and I'm like, just put it on top. So the wiring did take a long time, adjusting the monitors, trying to get all the wiring hooked up. So yeah, about 6 hours of time, but it was totally worth it to do it and stuff. And I think it came out really beautiful, and I'm really excited to do some B-roll with this new desk and the wood. And the reason I went with the wood is because I wanted a natural, more earth tone feeling with some Ikea plants that I already had. And I actually bought these on Amazon. I do have another Ikea plant in the corner, and I have some candle. I like a candle on the desk, so I kind of wanted something a little warm and calm. And I love RGB lights, don't get me wrong, RGB, but I didn't want to go extreme RGB. Behind the monitors, I kind of wanted to go to RGB behind the monitors, but I don't have a USB port on back of my monitors. And that's really disappointing because I could just run the wires back there and tuck it in and you would never see it. Well, since there's a gap between the PC, I would have a wire everywhere, and so I might get some Philips Hue bars, but I know those are very pricey. So yeah, the RGB strips are great. So far I really like them. The only thing I don't like is I have to have Bluetooth on. Some of them you don't need that. You don't need the Bluetooth on, but it's very easy to pair. I will actually do a separate video on those lights. They're by Govee, so if you guys want to check them out, I'll put down in the description below too. You could use it with your phone or a remote, so I like that now. Now I use it with a remote, or I can sync it with music and sounds and stuff. So, and now that the desk is closer, I noticed the RGB lights are not flickering. So the walls, it's a little closer to the walls, so it's not so bright. So yeah, but that's about it, guys. This is the first video for the desk setup, and my ultimate dream finally came.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
We got some great videos coming soon. I can't wait. I got some keycaps coming by Matrix Keycaps. I got some mouse pads coming. It's gonna be dope. And I'm just excited to, yeah. And after we get the gaming chair and get the accessories and stuff, I am actually gonna be looking at getting some more memory for the PC, because the PC is running a little sluggish. It's kind of hesitating. It's still not old, but it's 3 years, and if I upgrade the memory and get a graphics card, you know, I'll be able to render videos faster. So the first step will be for the gaming chair, and then we'll be getting the memory. So I'll be going to 32 RGB memory by Corsair. So I'm looking at least $159, $200. It just depends. So that's what I'm looking at. So this stuff will be coming. I'm just doing it gradually. So, you know, got everything. So yeah, guys, now we could do some sexy B-roll, and we just got this nice earth tone desk. So, but that's about it, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I appreciate it. We're about to hit 5K. I'll put all the description down below, all this stuff, just the basic stuff on my desk. I'm not going to go too depth into the specs and stuff on the PC, but I'll put pretty much everything on my desk I can down below. And you guys are probably wondering what's above me right here is a Back to the Future poster. All I did was bought a Back to the Future poster and put it in a frame, so you really can't see it, but if you're wondering what that is. So I know Ricky's gonna love that because he loves Back to the Future, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that loves Back to the Future. I know Kyle does and stuff. So yeah, I got my little, but yes, and that's why I said the desk setup looks clean, because I'm a very clean person. So all right, guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later.